Hey guys, what happened? No, with me, lad. We're gonna go hunting. Dun, 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 dun. Rocket hunting. Oh no, as we see the real rockets in their natural habitat.
What happens if I go like the box on fire and stand next to it?
Boom. And guys, look, I need to flip the camera. Look, Christmas lights.
Oh my god.
A few more weeks till Christmas. Here's Curtis. Oh no, oh no.
I'm gonna stand behind you, you can be my human shield.
Oh no, the rocket.
What if he burns?
Well, I don't know, I don't burn, so.
Can
You put it by your in the smoke. Dad, you can't see it that well, but
as well.
Everybody get down!
Bombs away! Well cool, aren't it? Hey, look at Cliff.
These are all the rockets.
sounds pretty close now, James.
Oh yeah. They're deadly predators.
They're deadly predators. They worse
One.
than tigers.
Get your fingers up your ears!
Nice! Oh my god! That's scared me! There's Maggie.
That's why you went over there, G, was it?
Yes! Yes!
It's only a little one, this is.
Wait, I want to see them. Well, they're still deadly.
It's only a little one, this is. It's a little pouch as well.
Wow. No, it's tiny, the whole thing. It's a big one.
Jeez.
I tell you how quick you move. When they shoot you, you jump over there for a while.
Wait, I want to see on camera.
I wish kind of remind you of this.
Oh, the monkey, great. I can't run.
I think Cheryl's scared.
Right, go on, do our dance.
I'm Jeremy got a bad
Those
leg.
men were too good.
Arm, leg, wrist, neck, foot.
Right, guys, what is going on?
What is going on here?
Big bricks.
It's fireworks.
What is going on here? Thumbs up for firework breakfast.
That's a small one.
Oh yeah, why are you moving away then, Nick?
42 bones in the body.
No, it's a children's
Yeah,
She's on about 20. What's a small one?
Jeez!
A little one. What's a small one?
Big one, guys.
Jeez!
Each individual bone is in half here.
Did you see that little flame hit the house? Did it with like little sparks come off, yeah? I didn't know how to do it! Woo!
Does anyone want a hot dog now?
Right guys, we're going to do a few more fireworks, at least like one more, and then we'll get in this video because I don't want it to be too long. Because I want you guys to enjoy the fireworks too.
Jojo!
Muhammad Ali. Come on, stop now, Muhammad Ali.
Oh, he's an awful fight now, What, in the bed?
Last one, guys.
Yeah. Chicken, didn't it? Back chicken. You did, you was good at it, yeah.
No, oh, it's one of those. Please don't get out.
Yeah? Let's stand over this side.
Big one going. Big one there.
There's the big one, there's a big one going. Hey!
Everybody get down! Alright guys, that's the end of this video. So please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video guys. Bye. One thing guys, subscribe. Bye guys.